friends, today's video we're going to be talking about My Bath & Body Works, the app. It is working coast to coast. It's not like 14 states where it works, and it's pretty awesome. So as of August the 22nd, you can go into the App Store and download this and be part of the, Bath & Body Works app. So like many of you, I did get an email with the invite saying, hey, it's finally here, and it's nationwide. For the longest time, it was only offered in certain states and certain cities, but it's everywhere. And I even used it, and it's pretty easy to use. You can either go to the App Store or open up your the camera to your cell phone and point at this QR code, and it'll lead you to the App Store and how to download it. You can even go to a store if you have no idea how to do this, and one of the employees will walk you through it. It's pretty easy. Probably the App Store is the easiest way. And a couple rules for you, like what is so advantageous about it. When you spend $1, you're getting 10 points, and 1,000 points for $100 spent equals 1 reward. And the reward is an item up to $16.50, and then plus new members get a 10 off of 30. I think it's within 3 days of signing up. And also on your birthday, there's rumors that there's going to be a free gift as well. So how nice is that in celebration of you? At the very least, for the free gift, I would sign up. Okay, so just launching the app, it looks like it's Bath & Body Works with the beautiful gingham blue and white patterns. I absolutely love this app, and it's very easy, user intuitive to use. So you're going to have this welcome screen. Below it, I have it blocked out. You'll put in the email that you wish to get correspondence. And then below that, you have to put your first and last name, your phone number, your zip, along with your birthday. Enjoy a gift on your special day. So hopefully they hold true to that. Signing up takes all of like maybe 2 minutes. And then from there, you get to this page where it'll show, hey, here's the, 0 to 1,000 to get your free gift. And it takes up to 72 hours for this to appear. So hang on to your receipts, that's for sure. And then when you hit this above that, it'll be a huge, it looks like a UPC, just like a bar, and all of your information, like your email and all that stuff is there. When you go to the store, you launch the app, the cashier will scan that barcode, and then boom, you're going to be in the system. And again, this, the progressive tracker, I have spent probably hundreds and hundreds of dollars at Bath & Body Works this year, and I have nothing to show for it, but now I get my free gift. So I'm pretty excited. And as I said, I went to the store today. I bought $8 of merchandise, and as you can see, I have 88 points tracking, and it's going to expire next year from the date of the purchase, so that's pretty cool. Let's not forget, if you are a couponer, you're definitely using IBOTTA and Fetch. So they actually have a part below which is for gift cards, and I really love this, where if you get a gift card, you can actually load your gift card to the app so you aren't going to misplace it, because even a digital file I've misplaced. So I was able to load a little Fetch Rewards gift card to my app, and I put $20 on there. So it's a cool app. I really like it. So if you look at the very bottom, you have wallet, list, shop, home, very, easy to follow. But at the top, it has gift card, offers, rewards. So that weird wheel, the offers and the gift card that we just looked at. And offers will show you visually like what's the deals of today. And I filmed this earlier in the week. But on a Tuesday, they had these candles for $6.25. Pretty good value. And then they also list like the cost of all the items and then what's limited today, blah, blah, blah. And then at the very bottom, all these quick keys that if you get lost or if you want to go home or if you want to hit the more button, which we'll show you here in a second, it has all of your basic information, your payment, even the ingredients in the candles, how to contact customer support, your account, your orders. It's all at a finger's tip. So I am, again, so very, very impressed with this app. So I did go to the store on Wednesday. I had a coupon for a free item, and then I bought one candle, and I just perused some of the fall line, and I am not much of a fall y'all. Like, I don't decorate the house for this. I don't really celebrate Halloween. I mean, I do like Thanksgiving, but I don't know, this spooky, scary stuff, it's just not my thing. But they do have some cute stuff if this is your thing. And they were really, really stocked. Like, there wasn't a lot of people like beating down the door for this Bath and Body Works decor. This little cat with the little witch's hat looks like one of my cats. So cute. And these wallflower plugs, I can't wait until after Halloween. I might grab one or two. I think they are rather cute. I don't like that witch's hand. I think it's rather weird looking. Maybe you can let me know in the comments if you think the same way as I. I don't know, cute little kittens or black cats or bats. I'm all about that, but the weird, that claw, it's just not my thing. I did buy this pumpkin cinnamon bun candle for my husband. He absolutely loved it. He likes anything with baking notes that are really strong, and I thought, you know, this isn't going to be too pumpkin-y. It's more of a cinnamon bun candle, so that's really cool. And that little bat that lights up, how adorable is that? So just one last quick rundown on this, the basic notes. For every dollar, you're getting 10 points, and once you hit 1,000 points, you're getting one reward up to 1650. New members get a 10 off of 30. That's pretty cool, along with the birthday gift. So it's definitely worth a download, and we'll see how this app plays out. I'm so happy it's all over at every store. It's not just in Columbus, Ohio. It's everywhere, so this is really, really cool. And if you missed it, I made a video earlier in the summer about their policy change about exchanges. So gone are the days of returning candles from like 2001, a whole bag of them, and getting like all new merchandise. That's not happening anymore. They're being rather strict with the exchange policy. You might want to check out this video and definitely hang on to your receipts. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Video's linked right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.